Recovering your Google Ads account after a policy suspension and failed approval is achievable with the right approach. I have personally navigated this challenge, testing numerous solutions until I discovered several effective methods to fix Google Ads policy account suspension failed approval, and I am now sharing them with you. The first method focuses on meticulous policy review and correction, addressing the direct cause of the suspension by ensuring every ad and keyword aligns perfectly with Google's guidelines, thereby satisfying their compliance checks. Another crucial approach involves verifying and updating your billing and payment information. This works because outdated or inaccurate financial details can trigger an account review and suspension, so ensuring everything is current resolves this administrative issue. Furthermore, a key strategy is to thoroughly check your website's compliance and landing page functionality, as Google requires your site to be operational and provide a good user experience, and fixing any broken elements or misrepresentations directly satisfies these platform requirements. Lastly, a comprehensive appeal process, supported by gathering all necessary documentation and clearly articulating the corrective actions taken, is vital. This shows Google you are serious about compliance and have systematically resolved the underlying problems, leading to account reinstatement.